Now, if you've seen, for example, the new G82 CSL that has the yellow halos, or the F90 M5 CS that has those yellow halos, and this is something you wanted to do, this is an easy upgrade. All we need to do is replace the circuit boards that actually are driving the LEDs to the halos themselves, to these new yellow LEDs from Machinaro. Now, I'm going to show you how to do this install. It's really simple. It's only going to take a few simple tools. And don't forget, everything you need will be linked in the video description below. So that's the link to these LEDs, any tools you need, and all the rest. All right, so we're going to be using my BMW M2 C today as the example, but these instructions are going to be essentially the same on almost all of the F Series. Now, my one caution is make sure you get the right boards for your car. So when you check out with Machinaro, make sure you order the right ones for the right model of car. These fit the 2 Series and the M2s in the F Series, right? All right, so let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to show you how you can get this done. All right, so if you had a chance to see my G80 guide on this, I installed these yellow halos recently into a G82 that looked absolutely fantastic. Now, the good news is about the 2 Series and the M2 is that it's even easier. We don't have to take the wheel off. Everything you need is beneath this cover, this radiator right here. Now,